everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to log out of your Western Union account. First of all, open a web browser of your preference and go to the URL box and type in westernunion.com and search. If you are logged into your Western Union account and you'd like to log out or sign out of it, then the process is quite easy. But before logging out of your account, make sure you remember your credentials for Western Union account. You will need to enter your password and your email address associated with Western Union, so before logging out of your account, make sure you have hold of them. Make sure you have hold of the information. Now, to log out of your account, all you need is to find this little log out button, which should appear from the main homepage of Western Union. Go to the upper right corner and click log out, and you will then be redirected to the login page of Western Union. So that is how you can easily log out of Western Union in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.